So one of the big mistakes I've seen a lot of businesses make repeatedly this year is they fail to claim their Google Places page. And this is big because Google Places is actually, it's a free place where you can register your business online. Every business has a Google Places page. You just need to go out and claim it. When you do claim the page, you're actually allowed to post information about your business. I believe it's 5 videos and 10 images. So you know, there's really no excuse not to do it. Not only that, but Google will also rank your business up at the top of Google depending on how well that your Google Places page is filled out. So definitely want to go ahead and claim your page if you haven't done that already. Another thing about Google Places page is last year Google actually bought Zagat Survey. So what happens now is a lot of people will go ahead and online and they'll write online reviews about your business or a business. And this is a place where Google actually collects those reviews and makes those available for anyone to see. So if you know you've got some bad stuff about you, hey, guess what? People are now going to find that stuff. It's your job to run your business more respectfully and take care of your customers so you don't get those bad reviews. And Google will be ranking businesses based upon their ranking of customer reviews. So you want to make sure that you've got a good solid strategy in place to get your reviews up and also have a solid 5-star reviews. So there's good reviews, there's bad reviews, and there's no reviews. And really no reviews is just as good as bad reviews. So you want to definitely make sure you have a solid strategy in place for your reviews. And that's all I've got for this one. So if you'd like more information on how you can get your Google Places page set up and ranked, you could even include your website, go to www.getmorebusinessfast.com, and I look forward to seeing you soon.